excited because I have this wig from Asteria and I love this company. So I'm gonna empty out the satin bag that they sent. So I got a wig cap, some lashes, okay, an edge brush, an elastic band. Honestly, I started liking using these because it has a Velcro. And usually I'll take elastic and then I'll tie it in the back, but this is way better. So this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, HD lace, cap, large, 180 density. So, oof, yes, I love me a good HD lace. Let me take her out the bag. Okay, you guys, so here's the wig. It is so soft. I wish you guys could feel this. It literally feels like butter. So this is what she looks like. This is a stock cap wig, and like I said before, this is a 5x5 unit. It does come with combs, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. Me, myself, I don't care for the elastic band to be placed right here. I like my elastic bands to be placed on the side of my frontals, or closures, because it just helps put tension on the closure to make it sit flush on your forehead, so you won't need any type of like a glue or glueless products to have it to be 100% glueless. Okay, so the knots are not bleached on this unit. I am going to go in and bleach the knots. It is pre-plugged, but of course I am going to go in and plug it a little bit more. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that and jump right into the bleaching process. So okay, you guys, so I am using 30 volume with quick blue. I'm mixing my 1:1 ratio together to get the consistency that I need. Once everything is ready, I am going to apply it to the lace. I am going to make sure that I push it through to get all the knots, because if you don't, then the bleach will just sit underneath the lace and really won't do the job that you need it to do. All right, I'm going to let the bleach sit on for about 25 to 30 minutes. My house was pretty cold, so it took a little longer to process. And then I did rinse it off with water, and then shampooed it with Garnier Fructis, and then conditioned it with silicone mix. And I also used purple shampoo to tone it. Okay, I did not show this. I have a lot of videos of me doing that. If you want to see me doing that, you can let me know down below if you want to see a specific video for that. If not, just go ahead and look at one of my older videos. Okay, so we're gonna go jump right into doing the hairline. So I'm using spritz and a wax stick to just make sure that my hairline is nice and sleek and slick. And of course, you guys know I use a real hot comb. All right, because nothing beats a real hot comb. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the baby hairs and curl them, and then I'm going to use spritz and an edge brush to lay them down. You are going to see me use the hot comb as well to freeze it in place. Now, if you are not comfortable using a hot comb, I suggest you do not do this and you use a blow dryer instead. But I'm a little vet when it comes to the hot comb, so basically I'm just using the heat to freeze the spritz and the baby hairs in place so I could take pictures and stuff like that. And it also makes it easier for me to lay my baby hairs once I'm applying the wig as well. But you want to be careful with the heat because you could literally burn your lace. So again, if you are not comfortable and if you do not know what you're doing, do not do this step. Use a blow dryer. But yeah, so this is what she turned out to look like. She was very much nice. The hairline was hairlining, okay. Like I said, I think I said this in one of my videos. I've been liking thicker baby hairs, so that's what I've been wearing on me. You do not have to wear these type of baby hairs, you don't have to wear baby hairs at all. You don't even have to pluck your hairline, friend. That is up to you. That is your preference. Okay, so this is the wig. This is going to be a super quick install because it is a 5x5 closure. Okay, so I'm gonna put this lace on. I'm gonna adjust the wig to make sure that it's sitting in place. I went for a side part. You know, because my go-to is a middle part, so I just like, okay, let me do a side part. And she was giving. I was like, oh my goodness, okay, she real cute. So I'm combing her out, I'm assessing her, I'm just feeling it. This wig is super thick and I love it. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this is going to be on the more expensive side of wigs, even though it's a closure, because it's a HD lace. It's a super thicker density. It's 24 inches, but I'm 5'4", and this is giving 30 inches on me, like off top. Like this went all the way down past my waistline. So this is, you'll get way more length than, you know, you're purchasing, because the back said 24, and when I put it on, it was super long. So I cut the seams off. All right, you want to do that because it makes the hairline lay a little flatter. All right, and then I'm gonna cut off the excessive lace. I like to kind of tug on the lace lightly and then cut it because it'll give me more of a jacket hairline. This is Red by Kiss. This is one of my favorite products to use to lay my lace down, especially because I switch wigs so much. And I like, you know what, lace glue has been like just a hassle. Like I just have not been wanting to deal with lace glue and the cleanup and everything. So I've been doing the glueless route and I've been loving it. Now this could last a few days for you if you have the maintenance. If you see lifting, just use the same product to lay it back down with the blow dryer and it'll go back down. Simple. So right here I'm doing touch-up work and I'm spraying it on the end of my my and then I'm laying it on the edge of the lace and blow drying it down, and then I'm going to use spritz to lay down my baby hairs. And yeah, and then I'm just gonna make sure that the wig is sitting nice and looking right. And that is about it, you guys. I'll have everything that I use in this video, including the hair, linked down below in the description box if you're interested in this. And what else do I want to say to you guys? I think that's about it. Don't forget to follow me on social media, especially TikTok. I'm very active on there, so make sure you are following me on TikTok, you guys. And that is about it. Until next time, bye, best friends.